Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna know how to fix Valorant connection error code VAN1067 in 2024. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A Valorant connection error usually means there is a problem connecting to the game servers. This issue can stem from several factors. The servers might be down for maintenance or experiencing technical problems, or your internet connection could be unstable with issues like high latency or packet loss. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software might block the game's connection, or there could be corrupted game files affecting connectivity. In order to fix it, what you need to do first is open the system tray and exit both applications, right client and right Vanguard. If you don't see their icons, you can skip this step. Click on the search icon and type services. Open the services app. Next, look for VGC in the list. Right-click on it and select properties. Switch to the logon tab and make sure local system account is checked. Next, go to the recovery tab. For first failure, second failure and subsequent failures, select restart the service from the drop-down menus. After you have done all that, what you need to do next is set the reset fail count after value to 0. Click apply and then OK. Close all windows and search for Valorant. Right click and select run as administrator. If you still see the connection error, this method didn't work. However, if you can stay connected for an entire match, the issue is resolved. Unfortunately, you may need to repeat this fix every time you play. Well, here's an alternative method you can try. Open services again and locate VGC. Right-click and select properties. Under the General tab, set the startup type to automatic. Click apply and OK. Launch Valorant with administrative privilege and check if the issue is resolved. Well, these are the two methods to fix the Valorant connection error. And that's pretty much all about how you can fix Valorant connection error code. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.